Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today we are tackling a common question. How can you block calls on WhatsApp without blocking messages? Whether you are looking to avoid spam calls or just need some peace without cutting off chats, we have got you covered. Let's dive right into it. First of all, let's understand the basics. WhatsApp doesn't offer a built-in feature to block calls while still receiving messages from the same contact. However, there are a few workarounds to manage this. One method is use the silence unknown callers feature. Here's how. First of all, open your WhatsApp and go to settings. Here I'm gonna open WhatsApp and clicking on this three dot button, and from here I'm choosing settings. Now you have to tap on the privacy. From here, you have to select calls. And now toggle on silence unknown callers. And this will silence calls from numbers not in your contacts. The calls will still appear in your call list, but your phone won't ring. Keep in mind, this won't affect calls from saved contacts. Remember, this method means the person is no longer saved in your contacts, which might affect other apps or services. So while WhatsApp doesn't allow you to block calls without blocking messages directly, these workarounds help you manage your notifications effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.